with a lollipop in hand, candle lit underneath palm, flesh ready to burn. The vision, the cut, the freedom inside pain.
It is, I think, within the lifetimes of all of us, there will be an ontological transformation of the human mode. So I think the transcendental object is emerging. Once it has emerged, there will be no big deal about it, in the same way that we look back at the emergence of language, and nobody jumps around or gets excited about it, or only a few philosophers do. And yet the fact that we possess language is the thumbprint of God upon our species. It's an impossible break with previous animal organizations. We can talk all you want about cultural topics, this and that, but then you turn to a poem by Andrew Marshall and realize that there is an ontological break here. It's not progress. So, as we anticipate this thing, it could be anything. It could be the visible language that I anticipated. It could be emergence of the mind.
There is only IBM and RTP and
the Tao, the actual collapse of the state vector into some kind of mysterious completion. But it's much more rational to place this kind of singularity at the end of a complex evolutionary process like life than at the beginning, from nothing, for no reason, in a single instant. And please don't ask questions about that, because our map begins 1/10 trillionth of a picosecond after that happened. We don't talk about that. We'll listen to someone begging the question for an intellectual enterprise that purports to offer information about things. So the transcendental object, which suggests to me a negative pessimism, a purpose in the universe that is focusing and drawing everything toward it. And in fact, I said history is the shockwave of eschatology. History, which lasts 10,000 years, is this microsecond of ultra-complex experience where the penetration of the natural world by the transcendental object each exists contemporaneous with the other for a historical or geological microsecond, and then the two terms are merged and all opposites are dissolved, and somehow the gift is claimed, the pearl is restored project. We are living through that at the moment, a 10,000-year rush from chipping stone flint to walking through the violet doorway of a self-generated hyperdimensional vehicle that carries us to our true home. No wonder it leaves an explosive set of eddies in its wake. I said last night, this is what happens when a culture prepares to depart to the stars. This is not business as usual. This is something else entirely. And it's the intellectual adventure and challenge of our time for each of us to understand this in terms relevant to ourselves and the people immediately around us. And this is the inspiration for time zero. This is what it maps. This is the odd thing in the map, that when the time map came,
remember when you ran away and I got on my knees and begged you not to leave because I overheard?
And all of its substance,
anyhow, and then the days got worse.
This is what Christ was about. This is
This
what your most enlightened moment was about. You reached you and me. It is the hyperdimensional, articulate reflection of God, scattered back to the flatter plane of this lower dimension of hard to say. Here. art man is about. And so in a way, my take on nature and culture and man is that human language is a meta-linguistic system generated out of the necessary formal incompleteness of nature.
Our critique began as all critiques began, with doubt. Doubt became our narrative. Ours was a quest for new stories, our own. And we grasped toward this new history driven by the suspicion that ordinary language is imposed. Our past appeared frozen in the distance, and our every gesture and accent signified the negation of the old world and the reach for a new one. The way we lived created a new situation, one of exuberance and friendship, that of a subversive micro-society in the heart of society which ignored it.